Welcome to another informative video where we will be delving into the world of equipment management. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we will break down the concept of a floating schedule and explore how it can add flexibility to your equipment management program, minimize downtime, and boost overall operational efficiency. Stay with us to discover the 5 steps involved in implementing a floating schedule for equipment repairs and hear about 3 compelling reasons why you should use one. Let's jump right in. Did you know that a floating schedule can add a great deal of flexibility to your equipment management program? It allows maintenance and repair requests to be scheduled according to a particular threshold. Once those moments are reached, maintenance and repairs can be completed within a window of opportunity. This can minimize downtime and help increase efficiency in overall operations. But what exactly is a floating schedule? Well, the term floating schedule generally refers to either employees or equipment. In the case of employees, it means flexible work hours. Employees can work whenever they wish, as long as they complete the total number of hours. However, in this video, we're focusing on equipment. In this context, floating means that employees fix equipment when possible. Repairs are scheduled after a certain amount of time has passed since the last repair took place. So, how does a floating schedule work for equipment repairs? Let's break it down into 5 steps. First, an asset reaches a certain threshold. For example, a commercial ice cream maker can produce 10,000 gallons of ice cream before a part requires replacement. Once the machine reaches that threshold, a work request is entered. Second, the repair is scheduled. In this case, a third-party maintenance organization is probably used to service the equipment. Once a request is made, the technician places the order on a schedule, perhaps 2 weeks later. Third, operations continue. In most cases, the ice cream maker will continue to operate past the threshold point until the maintenance technician arrives. Let's say the machine makes an average of 20 gallons of ice cream for 14 days until the technician arrives. Fourth, maintenance occurs. By the time the technician arrives, the ice cream maker has logged 10,280 gallons of ice cream. Once the part is replaced and the machine is put back into operation, the clock for the next maintenance call resets. Finally, a new threshold is set. Since this part must be replaced every 10,000 gallons, the next threshold will be at 20,280 gallons, not 20,000 gallons. Over time, the cumulative total may float a significant distance into the future. Now, why should you use a floating schedule? Well, here are 3 reasons. First, it results in less downtime. A floating schedule allows you to perform maintenance or repair within a broader window or even past a particular threshold. This means that you don't have to shut down a piece of equipment the moment it reaches the threshold. Being able to wait until the end of a shift or a production run means more efficient asset management. Second, it provides more leeway. Floating equipment schedules allow you to gain some leeway in your overall operation. For example, if your maintenance technician is on vacation for a week, you can opt to switch production to another piece of equipment or continue using your current machine. Third, it offers periodic check flexibility. With a floating schedule, you can always opt for a manual safety check. If an employee feels that a piece of equipment is dangerous because it's operating outside a repair window, you can perform a safety check as desired. To make the most of a floating schedule, you can depend on a computer maintenance management system, or CMMS, such as the solution from UpKeep. It can automatically schedule work orders at threshold points. In addition, you can rely on your CMMS to order parts needed for the repair or maintenance before the work order is assigned. Simply enter your data and let UpKeep handle the rest. In conclusion, a floating schedule is a great way to add flexibility to your asset management program. Use a CMMS to track important thresholds on all your critical equipment. Then, you can stay on top of your maintenance requirements efficiently. That means less downtime, lower costs, and better equipment performance. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the concept of a floating schedule, its benefits, and how to implement it using a CMMS like UpKeep. Remember, less downtime, more leeway, and flexible checks are just some of the benefits of a floating schedule. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more, and keep your operations running smoothly.